Kid hero Iron Man. Let's draw this cute red and gold hero suit. Helmet, arc reactor, boots. One easy line at a time. Draw one long straight line down the middle of the suit, like a friendly spine. Add a straight line across the top of the big round helmet. Curve a small part of the helmet edge, smooth and easy. Another tiny curve on the helmet. Keep going. Trace the bigger helmet shape around the face area. Draw a line for the neck where the helmet meets the body. Short line on the right boot bottom. Short line on the left boot bottom. Sketch the bottom edge across both boots. Add a little curve on the chest plate. Tiny curve on the chest, almost like a button. A short line low on the suit, tummy zone. A little straight bit on the lower suit. Match a boot line on the left side. Curve the outside of the right boot. Curve the outside of the left boot to match. Draw the shoulder bump on the upper left. Outline the left arm armor. Outline the right arm armor. Fill the big cartoon eye shine with bright white. Pop in a tiny gold highlight, down low. One more little gold sparkle on the suit. Add a dark ring around the lower eye details. Dark gray detail up by the helmet eyes. Color the tiny arc reactor core sky blue. Fill the chest armor with shiny red. Paint the golden faceplate area up top. Add a dark circle ring around the reactor. Color the lower suit red on the legs. Fill the upper eyes with clean white. Color the boot tops bright red. Add gold on the lower legs. Fill the boot tip with shiny gold. A little gold stripe on the chest. Sparkle. Dark gray ring for the left eye. Dark gray ring for the right cartoon eye. Add a shiny gold ring around the chest reactor. Red on the middle of the legs. More hero red on the lower legs. Fill the left boot red. Fill the right boot red. More red on the chest plate. Color the big helmet red all around. Last, fill the golden helmet face with sunny gold. Your tiny hero looks awesome. Keep practicing and try your own colors next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Sea Crow Art for more amazing step-by-step sketch guides.